Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube vlog. For today's video, simple lang. Tuturuan ko kayo how to apply basic safety training for seafarer. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So, ito yung pinaka-deeper meaning na basic safety training. Mandated by the International Convention on Standard Training Certification and Watchkeeping for Seafarer, STCW, requires seafarer to complete the 4 modules. So may 4 trainings kapag dadaanan para makuha mo ang basic training certificate mo. Personal survival technique, fire prevention, firefighting, elementary first aid, personal safety, and their social responsibilities. These modules provide essential knowledge and practical skill to handle emergencies such as abandoning ship, fires, and medical incident, ensuring the safety of the seafarer and vessel. So, during those training, ay yung mga dapat mong matutunan kasi pinaka deeper knowledge natin dapat sa during basic safety trainings matutunan yun. Para makapag-pursue ka, makapag-apply ka ng pag-seamanship mo, pag-apply mo ng barko. Kasi nga, pagiging crew is responsibility mo yun. At saka yun yung requirements para makakuha ng seaman's book. Kung wala kang basic safety training, di mo mapasa yan, hindi ka makapag-apply ng seamanship mo. So, let's go for the next one. So, gusto mo na mag-apply ng basic safety training sa Pilipinas, kailangan mo ng Marina Integrated Seafarer Management Online System or yung Marina mismo account, mag-apply ka nun. A seafarer registration number, yung SRN, which is makikita mo rin yun. So, probably next topic, pag-aralan natin yan. A valid ID and a DOH accredited medical certificate. Bakit ka mo? Kasi tatalon ka dyan sa sa BT. So may talon-talon dyan, may mga firefighting ka. So before you go training, kailangan physical fit ka or alam mo yun, wala kang problem. Kasi nga syempre may ma-jeopardize ang buhay mo during those training. Pero yung training lang mga basic lang naman na medical, para madali lang yun. So yung mga ganong medical, kadalasan affiliated siya sa mga training center. Kumbaga, pag sinabi mong ito yung training center ko, tapos ito yung medical, kumbaga ganun na yun. So, mas mapapadali yun. Pero yun yung based on my experience. So, tignan mo na lang, depende sa training center yan kung saan sila affiliated ng medical center. After submitting these requirements, you will need to enroll basic safety training course at the Marine Accredited Training Center. Always check if yung training center is accredited kasi may mga peke dyan. Sabihin nila mas mura, di hamak na mas mura, 1,000 mas mura. Pero yung 1,000 na yun, abutin ka na siyam-siyam, masakit sa ulo. Kasi nga may mga hocus-pocus yun. So, accredited training center, pay the requirements fee and undergo training. And the final exam, your STCW compliant basic safety training certificate. So, after matapos mo lahat yun, makakapag ka na, magkakaroon ka na ng requirements para sa certificate. So, first steps, kailangan mong gagawin is prepare your document, Marina mismo account. Ayan. You'll need an online account to manage your seafarer information, SRN, seafarer's registration number, valid ID, photocopy of valid government ID, tapos ayun nga, DOH accredited medical certificate. Ayun na yun. Tapos pangalawa, enroll basic safety, choose a training center, select a Marina accredited training center institution to take the course. Submit the requirements, basta siguraduhin mo lang yung SRN mo tama, tsaka valid ID of proof of payment. Ayan. Tapos, attend the basic safety training course, cover crucial safety module like fire prevention, firefighting, elementary first aid, personal survival technique, and personal safety and social experiment responsibilities. Pass the exam, you must pass the exam, demonstrate your competency. Yun, kung pumasa ka sa training nila, competency ka, yun, competitive ka, yun, makukuha mo yung certificate mo. Sometimes it took 3 to 5 days, depende yan kung tatama ka ng holiday or weekend. 3 to 5 days, minsan sabihin natin 1 week para sure ka, lalabas sa depende rin sa training center, pero kadalasan ganun. Receive your STCW certificate. Upon successfully completion and passing the exam, you will be issued a COP, Certificate of Proficiency. So after mo makuha certificate, papa-COP mo pa yun. But that's a different story. Yung sa Marina mismo, i-apply mo siya, Certificate of Competency. May mga requirements na yon, pero syempre iba na yon. Merong for renewal, meron din yung bagong application. So ganun lang. Madali lang mag-apply ng ng basic safety training as long as kumpleto ka ng papeles at tamang pinapasukan mo na training center. Always check if accredited sila. At saka huwag kayong magtitiwala sa mga kalaw, yung sa mga sa paligid doon. Kasi kadalasan, it's a fucking scam. Mahirap na, syempre sayang ang hard-earned money mo kung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang tapos may scam ka kagad. Ayun lang. So, if you like this kind of video, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So, subukan natin pumasok sa mga ganitong how-to ng mga training center dito sa pagbabarko. Siyempre, babaguhin natin yung ibang format dahan-dahan. So, please do like and subscribe. Maraming salamat, Skirt. Peace out. Squid.